Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly create an Instagram account if you already have one. Please subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes and don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. To do this, you're going to need to open Instagram. Then you're in the bottom right corner, go to your profile, the page that you already have. And then you'll click on the three bars in the upper right-hand corner to go to Settings and Privacy. Here it will need to scroll to the very bottom. And then click on Add Account. Now choose to create a new account. Now you'll need to name your account something. I'm gonna type in some random words. But the most important thing is that the name is not already taken. If it is already taken, you'll be given some options that are similar. Or you can keep going until you find one you like. Next, click here. And now, as you can see, we have the option to connect the login to the account we're creating to the account we already have. This is a very handy feature on Instagram because you can log into your new account with all the same logins as your old account. That is, you can use the same password or the same phone number, and it won't affect which page you log into. You'll be able to switch between pages easily. And in order to create a page, just click on this button. Confirm your action. And as you can see, this way you can create a new Instagram account very quickly. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.